Hello, friends. This is Vladimir. I will now do a Joker from Batman. No movie. First he say, start tonight, people will not live. Will not live. I man of honor. Ha. You change thing forever. You know how I got cut in mouth? Nikolai came to me in Moscow and said, you no smile. So he cut me mouth. The end. Cut it off, bro.